Welcome to our channel, Basic Skills AI. Today we are thrilled to introduce you to the future of visual quality, the revolutionary image upscaler. Imagine being able to enhance the resolution and quality of your images with just a simple click. With this image upscaler, the days of blurry or pixelated images are gone. Whether you're a photographer, a graphic designer, or simply someone who wants to improve the visuals in your presentations or social media posts, this groundbreaking technology is your ultimate solution. Let's dive into it. Open your browser and search for upscale.media. Click on the first link, then click on Upload Image. Then select your image that you want to upscale. Wait for a few seconds, then boom, your image is ready. After that, click on Download Image. So there you have it, the secrets to transforming low-resolution images into high-quality masterpieces. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.